would make the DJI Pocket way better. All right, and I'm back. Am I in focus? I don't even know if I'm in focus or not. 3 things that would definitely make the DJI Pocket 3 better. Number 1 is a beacon. If DJI were to create some sort of beacon that can attach to the DJI mic, and they added some sort of beacon to that microphone rather than relying on facial recognition, because let's be honest, facial recognition is only good for YouTubers, and that's it. But for like an athlete or who is supposed to concentrate on his game, right? And athletes can wear microphones. I've done it with my daughter. I mic'd her up while she was playing her soccer game, and came out great.
No! It's okay, we got 4 goals. It's okay, we got 4 goals. Okay, we're still winning, okay? We're still winning. I know that we're still winning, but... Yeah, we got 4 points. Yeah, and the Ducks only got 1 point. We are the Ravens, the powerful Ravens in the whole entire universe.
Anyways, for actors, especially for actors, let's say we had microphones the whole time. Let's say we hide them, or in post-production, we edit them out. And just to have good, clean audio might be a thing, especially like longer shots. Let's say you're walking in a park type of scene and you're like far out. You're not gonna be able to see that microphone anyways, right? And you'll be able to get clean audio. If you have a shotgun microphone, the shotgun microphone is too far away from your subject versus a microphone that's actually at your chest. This is gonna sound better than the shotgun microphone. Doesn't matter how much the shotgun microphone costs, it's gonna sound better. So yeah, a beacon would be really dope. That way the DJI Pocket could just follow the microphone that is attached with the beacon, or a beacon built into that microphone, right? Which will lead to my second thing, and that is, I think they're called PTZ, pan, track, zoom, PTZ camera, to put a PTZ type of lens into the actual camera itself. So that way it can zoom in and out, and we could tell it to say, hey, zoom in, or get a cowboy shot, or zoom out and get a wide shot, right? And it would just automatically do it and still be tracking you at the same time. This will be game changing for the film industry. We could literally make our own movies with this type of thing, with this technology. It would be game changing, without a doubt. And it'll be great for like somebody who wants to start out and making their own movies. And it'll be great for concepts, a short film, type of concept for an actual big budget. It'll be great for content creators, obviously, and YouTubers. Those are the 2 big things. A beacon built into the microphone, right, that attaches to the DJI mic. It doesn't even have to be pocket size. If they could create something like this and make it a little bit bigger, just to have a PTZ type of camera, a pan tracking zoom where the beacon is at, that would be so dope. That would revolutionize the film industry. And a built-in ND filter. I know that's probably asking for too much, but make a pro version. If money's not an issue, because I don't think money is an issue really with these type of companies, make a pro version. It would sell like hotcakes. Has a built-in ND filter, has a PTZ lens into it. What more could somebody want, especially a solo filmmaker, would want? Like, yeah.